What's up, everyone? Captain's log, September 26, 2014. On my way to work. Doesn't look like rain, that's good. Might rain anyways, but alright, here's Tatanka, ready to go camping today after work. I got my camping stuff in here, my hammock system, a tarp, camp chair. In this side case I have my clothes. And this one here I have some cooking gear and my camera batteries and stuff like that. Today I leave early from work. I'm going to shoot over to Fort Myers, Florida. I'm going to camp out at Koreshan Historic Site is the name of the state park, Koreshan Historic Site. I've never been there. That's the plan. And then come back Saturday, just one night tonight. Friday, do a little barbecue. My buddies are coming over. Camilo, Lu, Scott. Ozzy was coming, but he canceled. Okay, Team Miami Triumph, on our way to the first annual world famous Miami Triumph camp out slash asado, and we're experiencing a little sun shower here, but that doesn't stop us because we're never scared, no fear. Got Camilo behind me. Let me see if I can let him pass me. Here we go, right here, my boy. What do you think? Okay? No big deal. Some other people in our group might have panicked already. No names. JP. Just kidding, brother. So yeah, man. Gonna head over to the campsite, set it up, put a big ass tarp just in case it rains through the night. So we could get our drink on, get our barbecue on, or grilling, and shoot over to Publix, get our supplies. It's right next to the campground, and I think Scotty's gonna meet us over there. Hopefully he brings his rain gear. We might be hanging out all night with our gear on. All this freaking rain, but it's not an adventure, man. Some people may never get to experience the feeling of this rain coming down on you. We are almost there. The sun is shining. Everything's good. We are here. Woohoo! We did it. Rain, snow, hurricane winds, thunder. Koreshan State Historic Park. I guess Camilo wants to take a picture. Alright, let's check in. Let's get the keys to the campsite. We're gonna check in. I'm gonna check in. Yeah. Hi. Bueno, cuéntame, ¿te mojaste?
Una poronga.
Proceed with caution. Aussie crossing. Okay. Gotta be careful for Aussie. Woo. 23 right here, baby. So where's that? Oh yeah, very cool. Look, JP, no mud, bro. Everything's dry. Okay, what are we doing, man?
We are.
What is this thing?
This is the igloo for the beer.
Oh, nice. Okay, we got the supplies, we got the beer, we got the steak, we got the peanuts, we got the eggs, the bacon, bratwurst. All we need is, you know what?
What else do you need in life?
No, there's one thing it's missing. Inside those Givi boxes is some real good shit. We got New Belgium. I think it's like an Oktoberfest. I forgot the name right now, but it's a special October brew. And we have up there also, we have 3 huge ribeyes, and I also got a 12-pack of Michelob Ultra, just so I could lose a little weight. Right here. This is it, baby. 23. Number 23. Let me show you the campsite. Here's the body bag number 1. Don't drop it. Yeah. And here we go with my hammock system. First time I've actually used every little thing on there for an overnight. I've used the hammock before just by itself, but it got destroyed by bugs. So we got the rain fly, we got the mosquito bug net, and the hammock inside there. My motorcycle gloves dry enough. We had a big storm coming into the park this afternoon. And then we have a little roof here just in case it starts raining, which it probably will. Got our firewood. This is it. That's where the party's at. Wish you all were here. Got plenty of beer. That rhymes. Oh, the whole thing? Okay. Got it? All right. Yeah, I'm filming. This is the most important part. Here it is, the reveal. Outback Trekker Givi cooler.
Voila!
Ah, it's just ice. Here's the beer I was telling you. Okay, it's called Tour de Fall. New Belgium Brewery, Fort Collins, Colorado, USA #1. All right, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Look.
¡Vamos, nene! Así se baila, coño.
¿Qué es esto, caballero? ¿Qué es esto? ¿Qué clase de lujo?
Coño.
Que no va a hacer más nada ya.